Hello YouTube and fellow scale modelers, welcome back to my channel. If you visited before, if you haven't, welcome to Extreme Underground Scale Models. Today will be my first Where Did I Buy Wednesday, thanks to Joe at Big Sky Workshop. I have a box here from MCV Products. I haven't really went through it. I just grabbed the sticker to put on the box. So let's get through it. First two baggies I have are mufflers. I've been waiting on some mufflers so I can do my exhaust for my pickup truck. I gotta get a 2-pack, or I should say, I figured I would get 2 of them. Next are these boots that I explained in the other video that are for your spark plugs, where you just drill a hole in, slide the little boots in, or I should say slide the pegs in. It's hard to see because they're so small, and then they got a hole for your spark plug wires. I got my exhaust tips. Right now I currently have these that I got from a friend that I'm going to stick in front of the rear tires. I just think they'll look cool sticking out or coming out the side. Red seat belts. I was going to put these in my 1965 Chevy Foose Impala, but since my interior is going to be white, they should look okay. But I'm thinking I probably should have went black instead. And since I'm doing Chevys and most of my engine blocks are going to be orange or red, I really didn't want to go yellow. I couldn't really put red in there. So I figured I'll just stick with blue. They'll stick out more. So I bought 2 of those. And then here's the blue seat belts from Gopher Racing. These are actually going to be in my 1950 Chevy truck, because I couldn't really do black. I couldn't do red since my seats are red and black. So I figured this would stick out a little better. I got some radio faces from Detail Master. I actually got some speaker grills from Detail Master also. And I've ordered from MCV Products before. And if I remember right, he loves his carburetors. He sent me a free pack last time. I got another free pack, so I definitely got enough carburetors. So I need to start finding a way to use them. That is it from MCV Products. We'll say thanks for the well-packaged products and awesome products. Enjoy your videos. I also bought a kit online from these guys. It was a $20 purchase. It was $10 for the kit, $10 for shipping and handling. So I couldn't beat the price, especially for what I'm going to do to it. Here's the back of the card. But anyways, like I said, it was a cheap purchase. What I'm going to do is, I have another kit of a 1950 Chevy step side, and for some reason I can't find anybody to make the kit or has a resin body for it. I was told from a guy from the club that this kit here, if I cut the back and take the nose from this kit, that it should fit. So that's the goal. Since I can't find a 1950 panel wagon, I'm going to try to make my own. So here we are again. I'm trying to go way above my modeling experience. I guess that's, if that's what you want to say. But I know I got some help, so hopefully it works out. Thanks for stopping by my channel. I actually have another order coming in from Iceman Collections, so that should be my next What Did I Buy Wednesday. And then a week after that, I should have my VCG Resin order in and back by then. Once he opens up this Friday, I'll put another order in. And then I should be good for a while. So at least I'll have 3 What Did You Buy Wednesdays. But thanks again, guys. Stopping by. See you again. Just remember, like always, they're all buff out.